Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm super excited to make this video because we're gonna be playing with some Danessa Myricks ColorFix. So I have a foil one in the shade Venus and I have a glaze one in the shade Clear. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use both the ColorFixes and I'm gonna mix it with some traditional powder shadows. I don't know if it's gonna work because the videos that I have seen of Danessa Myricks using these, she only uses these and or her cream eyeshadows. I haven't seen her pair it with like powder shadows. So let's see how it works. So this is in the shade Venus. This is the clear one. So I think I'm gonna do my face later. I wanna play around with these first. So let's get right into it. So for their eyeshadows, I'm gonna just go in with some MAC shadows. And I don't wanna do much, honestly, because I just wanna see how these work. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of crease, a little bit of outer corner, nothing too crazy. First, I'm gonna go in with this shade Soft Brown from MAC. I'm not prepping my eyes or anything because I just really want to see how the products work. So just taking that in my crease. And my outer corner as well, and just blending it all in. Now just to deepen the outer corner, I'm gonna use the shade Brown Script. So this is Brown Script from MAC Cosmetics. And just deepen that outer V and the crease a little. Gonna go back with the fluffy brush and blend it all out. And for the center of my eyes, I'm just gonna go in with the shade Brule just to put a little something on. Just on my brow bone as well. Now I'm just gonna go do the rest of my face and be back to play with these because when we put it on, I want a better feel of how it looks with my face done. Hi guys, so I'm back after doing my whole face and this is how it's looking. I've left a gap to put the ColorFix in the shade Venus. So let's get into it. So I'm just gonna squirt a bit on the back of my hand. And this is how it looks. Looks really nice. I'm loving that gold shift. And I'm gonna take a flat brush. And just pat it all over. Okay, this looks really nice. And I'm just gonna take the shader brush again to blend it all out. Okay, it dries quite fast. Okay, even on my hand, it's like dried down already. So I would suggest you work with small bits and in small portions. Okay, Okay, this looks so nice, especially like if you're going for a party. It did blend out really well also, but it does dry down fast, so you really have to work quick with this, I think. I think it looks really nice. And now, just to try out the clear one to give my eyelids that glossy look, I'm super excited. We're gonna go in with the clear. So I'm gonna use the same brush, but the other side of it. Okay, so it's like a glossy, like lip gloss consistency. It's not really too sticky. Just gonna pat it in. It isn't removing the product below, which is really good. But it did like decrease the shine of the Venus one a bit, which is obvious because we're putting another product on top, giving it more of a glossy feel. I'm just gonna blend the sides because I don't want like a sharp edge. Okay, that blended out well. Gonna do the same on the other side now. I think the glossy look would look better with a matte shade underneath, and then just giving that gloss, but it gives a really nice shine. I just want to add a bit on my lips, even though I have gloss on already. But it's like a different kind of a glossy look. I'm really liking both the products from Danessa Myricks. I think I will be playing around with this more and more with like, maybe I'll use a matte cream shadow, and then on top of that it should look really nice. But this one I think will probably be my go-to when things open up and we do like parties and dinners, because it gives like a really nice shine on the eyelids, and it's like a one color done kind of a situation. So I'm really liking both these products. This is something really unique. I have nothing like this in my collection, so I'm super excited to like try it out. Oh, actually, why not give myself that wet look and see. You can see the difference. It does give like a shine, a glossy shine, which is really nice. It is still a little sticky. Let's see if it dries down. It is still a little sticky, but I mean, I don't think it's gonna dry down 100%, but it does look nice. Go in with some mascara to complete the look, and this is my completed look. I really like these color fixes. I think if you're like a you like that shiny pop on your eyelid, this is really easy to use, no fallout, and it gives such a nice finish. I would really recommend this. It worked really well on top of the powder shadows as well. You can still see my powder eyeshadow. It didn't crease or anything, which, sorry if I keep looking down, my mirror is there, so, but worked really well. It didn't crease my powder shadows, but for the clear one, I think on top of a cream matte, it would look really nice how I have seen it been used. But I'm really liking that glossy look. I think it's something a little different, and it's still wearable at the same time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please do give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you next time. Bye.